Ubertile, technology for tiling. The Ubertile shower seats are part of the Ubertile shower system. They are simple to install, waterproof, and available in a variety of sizes and shapes. This video will demonstrate how to properly install an Ubertile wall-mounted shower seat. These are the required tools and materials for installation. The Ubertile wall-mounted corner seat is intended to be installed on top of half-inch thick Uberboard wall panels, fastened to wood framing 16 inches on centre. Wood backing or blocking directly behind the Uberboard panels where the seat will be installed is required for fastener anchoring. Start by marking onto the Uberboard wall panel where the seat will be installed. Once installed, the seat must slope a minimum 2% or 1/4 inch per foot slope outwards to allow water drainage. Apply a liberal amount of Uberseal joint sealant onto the backside of the corner bracket. Use a flat spreader to spread the Uberseal over the entire contact area. With the Uberseal still wet, press the corner bracket onto the wall. Use 3 screws and 3 washers per bracket side to fasten. Apply Uberseal to the top and side of the corner bracket. Ensure the screw and washer are fully covered. Apply Uberseal under the seat where it will contact the wall and bracket. Smooth the Uberseal with a flat spreader. With the Uberseal still wet, install the seat onto the wall brackets. Apply a bead of Uberseal around the entire perimeter of the seat and tool flat with a trowel. The finished Uberseal should overlap a minimum 1 inch onto the seat and wall surface, making a 2-inch total seam width. Allow the Uberseal to cure before proceeding. To provide additional reinforcement, apply tile thinset mortar to the entire perimeter of the seat to wall connections. Then embed the provided fibre mesh tape into the wet mortar. With the thinset mortar still fresh, smooth the mortar flat and let cure. Ubertile offers multiple accessories such as waterproof niches, shower seats and more. For more information on the available accessories, visit www.ubertile.com. Waterproof, efficient and customizable, the Ubertile shower system is a reliable solution for building a waterproof shower.